Have you ever wondered how the chewing gum you enjoy every day is made? Get ready to step inside the fascinating world where science and fun come together. Chewing gum begins with one critical element: the gum base. This foundation is crafted by blending three essential components. First, polymers, elastic materials derived from synthetic rubber, provide the gum with its signature stretch and chewability. Next, resins are added. These softening agents enhance the texture, making the gum smooth and pleasant to chew. Then, waxes are incorporated. They add flexibility, helping the gum stay soft and pliable over time. When these three elements are perfectly combined, they form the final product, the gum base. This is the essential backbone of every piece of chewing gum you enjoy. To this base, manufacturers add sweeteners like sugar or xylitol, corn syrup to keep the gum soft, glycerin to maintain moisture, and a blend of natural and artificial flavors to create the final irresistible taste. Coloring agents and preservatives like BHT are also added to ensure consistency and freshness. Recapping, to make chewing gum, 6 main ingredients are needed. First, the gum base, made of polymers, resins, and waxes. Second, sweeteners like sugar or xylitol. Third, corn syrup to maintain softness. Fourth, glycerin to retain moisture. Fifth, natural and artificial flavors. And finally, preservatives like BHT and BHA to keep it fresh. Together, they create the chewing gum we all know and enjoy. The gum base is heated in massive industrial mixers until it becomes soft and stretchy. At this point, flavors and colors are added, creating the iconic chewing gum experience. After mixing, the hot gum mass is transferred to cooling belts. Cooling is crucial to achieve the perfect texture before the next stages. To create chewing gum, the gum base is first heated between 80 and 90 degrees Celsius, making it soft and pliable. As the temperature reaches around 100 degrees, plasticizers and emulsifiers are added to enhance texture and flexibility. Between 100 and 110 degrees, sweeteners and flavors are carefully blended into the mixture. Finally, the gum cools down to around 60 degrees, ready for the next steps. The cooled gum is flattened by giant rollers into thin sheets. Precision is key here to ensure a consistent chew in every piece. These sheets are then cut into different shapes: strips, squares, or pellets, depending on the gum style. Some chewing gum types are coated with a layer of sugar, adding that initial crunch before releasing their full flavor. Then the gum pieces are polished in rotating drums, giving them a shiny, smooth finish, ready for packaging. Finally, the gums are packaged, either individually or in blister packs, and shipped worldwide. Fun fact, a modern chewing gum factory can produce over 5 million pieces a day, a true chewing machine on an industrial scale. Did you enjoy discovering how chewing gum is made? Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Every week, more behind-the-scenes secrets from the world of food production.